This is the Actuator Stroke Length Interactive Calculator for Hinged Applications, which calculates the required stroke length for linear actuators in hinged door systems. Let's look at the inputs. First, select your units from the drop-down menu. You can choose Imperial in inches or metric in millimeters. For this demonstration, I'm using Imperial. Next, enter the distance from hinge to actuator mount, labeled as A. This is the measurement from your hinge point to where the actuator connects. Then input the door length from actuator to end, labeled as B, the distance from the actuator mounting point to the end of your door. Finally, enter the opening angle theta in degrees, how far you want your door to open. Here's a worked example. With a distance from hinge to actuator mount of 10 inches, door length from actuator to end of 10 inches, and an opening angle of 10 degrees, clicking Calculate Stroke Length gives us these results. Required stroke length is 1.74 inches, retracted length shows 0.00 inches, and extended length is 1.74 inches. These values tell you the actuator specifications needed for your hinged application. Find the link in the description below.